How to freeze location on Snapchat. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can freeze your location on Snapchat. So you might have already known that there is a map feature on Snapchat and you can check your friend's location, or you can share your location as well on Snapchat. So if you want to freeze the location of yourself on Snapchat, what you can do is you can simply head to the maps section right here. And here you can see your location and your friend's location. So if you want to change that and if you want to freeze it, so what you can do is head over to the settings icon on the top right. And let me just allow this for now. So go to the settings and there you can see the ghost mode option. So if you enable this, that means that your friends will not be able to see your location. And that's basically freezing the location on Snapchat. It's not freezing, but it's just hiding or masking your location. And that's the only way you can do so. The other thing that you can do is you can simply, remove location access from Snapchat. So for that, what you'll need to do is go to your settings, scroll down till you find the apps section, search for Snapchat here. There we go. And under Snapchat, you can remove the location services or location permission for your Snapchat. So select never and you're good to go. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.